In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and make sure you're on the page where you want the scrolling text effect to appear. This technique is great for creating moving headlines, ticker-style messages, or simple animated text that travels across the screen in a clean and professional way. Next, have your text ready and place it where you want your scrolling text to begin. This starting position matters, because it determines where the animation will first appear when your design plays. So before you animate anything, take a moment to position the text exactly where you want the motion to start. Once your text is in place, click on the text box to select it. Then go to the top toolbar and find the Animate option. This is where Canva gives you access to different motion effects for the selected element. After that, look over to the left panel and choose Create an Animation. This option lets you build a custom movement path instead of using a preset effect, which is exactly what we need for scrolling text. Now comes the key part. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag your text across the screen in a straight line. Holding Shift helps keep the movement aligned, so the text scrolls smoothly rather than drifting unevenly. Drag in the direction you want the text to travel, and try to keep the motion clean and consistent. When you release the text, Canva will automatically turn that movement into a scrolling text animation. At this point, you'll already have the basic effect applied, and you can preview it to see how it looks. If the movement doesn't feel smooth or steady enough, go back to the left panel and open the Movement Styles dropdown. From there, you can select smooth or steady, depending on the look you want. Smooth usually gives a more fluid motion, while steady can make the movement feel more even and controlled. You can also adjust the speed slider to make the text move slower or faster. This is especially useful if you want the text to be easier to read or if you're aiming for a faster, more energetic effect. Once you're happy with the animation, click down at the bottom of the left panel to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created scrolling text in Canva.